Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Face Wash. Start by wetting your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. This helps to open your pores and prepare your skin for cleansing. Make sure your hands are clean before you begin to avoid transferring dirt or oils to your face. If you're wearing makeup or sunscreen, gently remove it beforehand for the best results. Next, dispense a small amount of the Garnier Vitamin C Face Wash into your palm. Roughly a pea-sized amount is perfect. Rub your hands together to create a rich lather. Then, gently massage the foamy cleanser onto your damp face using circular motions, avoiding the delicate eye area. Continue to massage the face wash onto your skin for about 30 seconds, focusing on areas that need extra attention. This allows the vitamin C to work its magic. After cleansing, rinse your face thoroughly with cool water until all traces of the product are gone. Make sure no residue is left behind. Gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate your skin. For a complete skincare routine, follow up with your favorite toner and a hydrating moisturizer. For optimal results, incorporate this vitamin C face wash into your routine twice daily, morning and night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.